How to use calendar and reminder apps effectively. Feeling overwhelmed by deadlines and to-dos? This video will show you how to use calendar and reminder apps effectively to conquer your schedule and boost your productivity. Our lives are full of appointments, tasks and deadlines. Juggling them can be stressful, but fear not. Calendar and reminder apps are your digital assistants, keeping you organized and on top of your game. There are many great calendar and reminder apps available, both free and paid. There are two popular options to consider. The Google Calendar, which is a user-friendly option that integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Gmail, and Apple Calendar, which is pre-installed on iPhones and Macs, offering a clean interface and tight integration with Apple devices. And reminder apps like Apple Reminders, which is straightforward and integrated with Apple devices, and Todoist, which is a powerful option with features like recurring tasks, subtasks, and priority levels. No matter the app, here are some key ways to leverage their power. Creating events. Clearly define events in your calendar, including title, date, time, and location, and even add guests for shared events. And setting reminders so you don't miss deadlines. And for recurring tasks, set them to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly to avoid forgetting. You can use color coding and labels to organize your events and tasks visually. By using calendar and reminder apps effectively, you can transform your schedule from chaotic to controlled. Remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.